Freepik. Let's see how it's done. First, we take the fresh, basic materials we need to cook up our product, relying always on local providers with only the freshest produce. Then, the product moves on through our factory space, where we start to turn this produce into the resources they need to be. Keep up the work, guys. We have your children. Once the raw materials have been molded, they need to be cooked. After cooking the resources with our secret recipe that Granny taught us, we take the product to let it settle. And this is how we make our resources here at Freepik. From fresh to friendly, we get your resources to you. Freepik. Design your own path.
It's actually not that complex. We collaborate with freelance artists who give us content daily that you can use. It's that simple.